Hi guys, it's just Brad here down at the My Car Cleaning Warehouse. Today we're going to be talking about 3 brands which we feel don't get the attention they deserve in the detailing world. To start things off, Garage Therapy, known simply as GT. Garage Therapy is a new award-winning brand launched by 2 friends here in the UK. They have a large range of car cleaning products that's been thoroughly researched before making it to market. So you know you're getting quality and performance in a product that's been backed by a local brand, loved by car enthusiasts. Next up, we have Fen Lab. All of their products are made in the USA. Fen Lab are known for their technology-driven chemicals based on science and research. They are pioneers in the nanotechnology space and one of the first to invent ceramic coatings. Fen Lab have an in-house development team with scientists from Oxford University, and they are delivering world-class chemical research. Next up, we've got Stjarnagloss, another UK brand with a Scandinavian feel. Stjarnagloss simply provide quality products at affordable prices, and are definitely worth a look if you fancy trying a new brand. So, for your next My Car cleaning order, guys, we definitely recommend that you check out Garage Therapy, Fen Lab and Stjarnagloss. We have over 70 brands listed on the website from all corners of the world, so go ahead, click the link and treat your car today.